Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin HRM Pro Plus to your watch. First, make sure your HRM Pro Plus is comfortably and securely fastened around your chest, directly on your skin, just below your sternum. Next, power on your Garmin watch and keep it within a few inches of the heart rate monitor. Now, navigate to the sensor settings on your watch to initiate the pairing. To begin the pairing, from the Sensor Settings menu on your Garmin watch, select the Add Sensor or Search All option. Your watch will then scan for available devices. The HRM Pro Plus should appear on the list within a few seconds. Once you see HRM Pro Plus displayed, select it to confirm the pairing. This establishes the connection between your heart rate monitor and your watch. After selecting the HRM Pro Plus, your watch should display a confirmation message, such as Sensor Connected, or a small heart rate icon will appear. Immediately check the heart rate data field on your watch. You should see your current heart rate in beats per minute. To further confirm, take a few steps or move around slightly. This ensures the HRM Pro Plus is actively transmitting accurate, real-time heart rate data to your Garmin watch. If you encounter any connection issues, first check the battery level of your HRM Pro Plus. A low battery is a common culprit. Next, try restarting both your Garmin watch and the heart rate monitor. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves minor glitches. Also, ensure you are away from other electronic devices that could interfere with the signal. If all else fails, remove the sensor from your watch's paired devices list and try the entire pairing process again from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.